Back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this classic crunchy Mediterranean salad. So come with me as I show you. So I'm using these ingredients for this salad. So I have parsley, I have celery, I have some cucumbers, I have bell peppers, tomatoes and onions that I'm using for this salad. So the next thing, or the first thing I'm going to do is to wash all of them thoroughly by using vinegar to wash them. So I'm going to soak them in vinegar for some time, say 5 or 10 minutes, and then wash them. So this is like 10 minutes after going ahead to wash the vegetables, adding more vinegar, just to make sure that the vegetables are clean. You know they are not going to be cooked, so it's better to have them thoroughly washed. So after washing, I went ahead and I'm cutting the cucumbers. So cucumbers have a lot of health benefits. They reduce inflammation, they help to manage the blood sugar level, and they also support bone health. Um, yeah, cucumbers contain vitamins A and C. So the next thing I'm doing is to cut the celery into smaller bits like this. Celery is also healthy. It contains vitamins also. Why I like celery is that celery gives you the feeling of being full. When you take celery, you don't feel hungry. So I'm using it for this salad. Sometimes I juice my celery, but today I'm just having them in chunks. So the next vegetable I'm slicing is the tomatoes. Tomatoes are very good. They have a lot of health benefits also. This help to support the heart, keep your heart healthy. Tomatoes improves vision and they help to promote radiant skin. Tomato are also powerful antioxidants. So for this salad, I'm using 3 types of bell peppers: the red bell peppers, the yellow one or golden one, and the orange bell peppers I'm using. So bell peppers have a lot of health benefits. It contains vitamin C and help to boost your immune system. They also aid iron absorption, and they have some dietary fiber also that can help in weight management. So I'm chopping them up. So once I have that ready, the next thing I'm going to do is to prepare the salad dressing. Okay, so I am going to chop the parsley. Parsley also has a lot of health benefits. Yeah, they also help to boost the immune system. They promote the heart health also. They keep your heart healthy. I also have some onions that I'm chopping into this. So like I said, I'm going ahead now to juice the lemon. So squeeze out the juice for this lemon for the salad dressing. So here is the lemon juice. Now I'm going to add the other ingredients for the dressing. First of all, I'm grating some I'm grating some not ginger, some garlic. Somebody is distracting me, getting distracted. I'm grating some garlic and also chopping some of them. So next I'm adding some salt and ground paprika. And I'm going to add also honey and olive oil. Yes, olive oil is very good. So I'm adding some olive oil to the salad dressing. So just 2 teaspoons of olive oil is enough. Yeah, I'm using the Goya one. Olive oil is very good for reducing inflammation and protects also against diseases. So here is our salad. Next thing I'm going to do is to add the salad dressing. Okay, so lemon is very good. It contains vitamin C, it's anti-inflammatory also. And next, the salad is ready. I'm just going to serve it. So for the protein, I'm using boiled eggs. Yes, I'm just going to add boiled eggs, and this salad will be ready to eat. So boiled egg, you can use any protein of your choice, but I'm using boiled egg. So this is my classic crunchy Mediterranean salad ready for consumption. This salad helps you to lose weight. So I've been eating this salad for some time and it helps me to lose weight. But the first time I had it, I lost about 10 pounds instantly. So this salad will help you for weight management and also to keep your blood sugar at a healthy level. So I'm packing up the remaining salad. I have 3 packs ready. I'm just going to keep that in the fridge and it's ready. Whenever I want, I'll just take 1 pack and eat it. So here we go. Thanks for watching. Wherever you're watching from, I need you to write in the comment section what you think about this salad, and also subscribe to this channel, like this video and share with your friends and family. Yes, try this salad. You will surely like it. It will help you to lose some weight, and also it helps you to keep you healthy. Thanks again for watching my video. Subscribe to this channel and I'm going to see you in the next one. God bless you. Bye for now. See you in the next video.